Welcome to Lamomo Neon. Today, we're going to show you how to hang your new sign using our ceiling hanging wire kit. First of all, prepare all the installation accessories, including aluminum buckles, vertical mounts, hanging wires, drywall anchors, small screws. Step 1. Measure the distance between the pre-drilled holes of the sign, and measure the same distance on the ceiling and mark the areas with a pen. Step 2. Put the vertical mount on the marked area and drill the 3 holes through the vertical mount. Step 3. Hanging wire. Insert the vertical mount from the small side. Adjust the wire with the button at the end of the vertical mount. Step 4. Tap the drywall anchors. Step 5. Align the vertical mounts, screw nails into the drywall anchors. Step 6. Hanging wire. Go through aluminum buckle and the sign hole, and then go through the other hole of aluminum buckle. Step 7. Align the sign to measure the height you want and make sure the sign sits level. Use pliers to seal the aluminum buckles. Trim the overextended wire if necessary. And here you go. You can plug in the power, turn on the neon sign,